Hey everyone, today I'm going to be replacing the battery and installing the Cyberpower OP650 650 volt amp 350 watt uninterruptible power supply. Let me just show you what I've done already. I already ordered the appropriate battery, which is a 7 amp hour 12 volt sealed lead acid. I actually have the original one over here, and well, just listen to it when I turn it. Yeah, so it makes that rattly noise, which is terrifying. I don't want to touch it. I'm scared of getting acid on my hands, even though that most likely won't happen. And actually, that is so much of a problem that now this UPS won't turn on. Actually, this thing was perfectly working before this, so, I don't know, I guess maybe just me moving it probably screwed that battery. So I'm gonna wait until this battery arrives. Alrighty everyone, so my battery has arrived. So to actually access the old battery, which I took out the old battery and recycled it, you're going to want to remove these two screws here, and then this little door can slide out. Next, you're going to want to get your battery. Before you put it in, you're going to want to do a few things. First, you're going to want to label it, the month and year that it's from, so it's July 2023. As well as this is labeled on the front. You also want to take off these terminal guards. I don't know if it's in shot. It is not in shot. But you see there are little plastic terminal guards and others not. Next, you're just going to want to put it in. Slide the terminals on. This may be a little tricky. Make sure to match the red to the red and the black to the black. Okay. Now we can slide that in. And put this door back on. Alrighty, now let's test this. And it's gotten significantly heavier now.
Well, no fucking
So, alright, we're gonna give it AC. Alright, has AC now, so let's see how it responds. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh. I'm gonna leave that a little bit to charge. We're gonna install it on the computer, the first monitor and the second monitor. We don't really need speakers, because even without speaker power, we can still use the headphones. Alright, so the UPS has passed my stability test, so we can just turn it off now. And we're going to be installing it. I didn't really let it charge up for the full 4 hours, but I don't really care. So, I'm going to be installing it via zip ties. Zip tie it to this mesh. It sounds really stupid, but it'll be alright. Famous last words. So, the first step is to turn off everything. Next step is to turn off my old power bar and unplug everything from it. Then we're gonna unrun this wire. I'm like upside down right now, and take this off of the desk. Okay, so this isn't even stuck on the wall. There, that looks a little nicer. But yeah, we got it ran. This didn't need to be replaced. This is still okay. So we're now gonna install this. I decided not include the time lapse of me installing the UPS because it was an 8-second clip of me struggling to hold a UPS while trying to secure a zip tie. You know, I'm not gonna lie, this actually isn't the worst engineering I've done. So let's see what it does. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna plug everything into it. But you see, it's pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna do some cable management and we're gonna plug everything in. Alright. Okay, that's normally what it does. Looks like we have power. Okay, that's actually a pretty noisy UPS, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna do a load test on this UPS. So the computer's just gonna be idle like it is now. LED lights are gonna lose power because they're on the non-battery of the UPS. So let me set up a tripod, and we're gonna see what the setup looks like when it gets power cut. So if all goes well, the nothing will flicker. 3, 2. Hey guys, you might be wondering why my audio sounds so bad. It's because I got bored and I decided to record this on a webcam mic, and I need to talk softly so that my webcam mic doesn't So I still didn't record a proper outro to this video like I always do, so
Big mother.
we now return to the static channel.